Hey everyone, welcome to WebXP. This is Rupali. Today we will see how to start a web project under 3 minutes. First, create a folder for our project. This will have all our project files and folders. Next, open our project in VS Code. Click File, Open Folder, search and click on our folder, then click Select Folder. Let's create index.html file. This file is the entry point of our website. Next, we are going to create style.css file in which we will write all our styles and main.js for all the JavaScript logic. We can have multiple CSS and JS files for our project as well. Next, we'll link CSS and the JS files in the index.html. Link CSS file in the head section by using the link tag and passing the file path in href attribute. And link the script file before closing body tag as shown by using script tag and pass the file path in src attribute. Add a simple alert function in the main.js. Add h1 tag in the index.html as shown and add simple styles for it in style.css. Now let's run our website by right-clicking on index.html and click Open with Live Server. As you can see, our website is up and running with an alert message and styled h1 tag. Thanks for watching.